Dana, there's an Albert on this bus, isn't there?
There's a train, not a bus.
There's a Who is that?
Danielle,
It's an old Albert.
face.
Okay, walk with the camera and show this an Albert. Walk. Go, hold on, go.
Hey Aaron, I want to take a picture of you guys, okay? Okay, I want to take a picture of the two of you.
Survey time. Do you think we're twins?
Two of you. Wait, hold on. Wait, Olivia, your phone like isn't zooming right.
Okay.
Wait, where's the button? Where is the zoom?
Oh my God, Danielle.